and today I have another bike from Gen3 called the Flex. Let's check it out. Once you pop the lid open, you probably want to take all these big staples out of the top of the box. Otherwise, you could step on it, you might cut yourself, or you could flatten your tires. So I would remove all of these before going on. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's these dotted lines right here, and the same as on the other side of the box. It says, cut box here with a knife no longer than 1 inch. So make sure you don't have anything too long. Cut this down, cut the other side down, pull the flap down, and that'll expose the rest of the bike and make it a lot easier to take out and put it together. So an important tip is make sure when you cut the two sides down that you have somebody helping you, or prop it up against something like I did this table here to make sure that when you take this apart, that the back doesn't just fall over. So, and there's the bike. So let's start putting it together. So very quickly, the box that comes inside of the box has a charger, manual, toolkit, pedals, quick release, and a rear light. Okay, once you have everything done, you might want to go back, double check things, make sure everything is tight. There's a couple cables here that need to be pushed together for the bike to work. They're color coded. Once you do it, you never have to do it again. Just make sure you don't bend the pins when you're doing it, but follow the color codes, push them together, leave them alone. Make sure the handlebar is nice and straight, tighten down, tighten all the bolts around it. These are loose out of the box, so make sure you tighten these up. And then make sure the seat's where you want it, the air pressure in the tires are where you want it, and then charge up your battery, take it out for a spin. Don't forget the key here to unlock the battery and get your bike going is right here. So you want to take this off. Make sure everything's working, check your brakes and everything. Go out and have a lot of fun. I'm going to test ride it right now. So the Flex comes with CST all-terrain tires, which are good for paths like this, or like this. But my preference would be like this is my preferred surface to ride on. So the Flex is a 21 speed, kind of like a commuter bike. And it's got a 500 watt power motor with 500 peak power, 500 watt battery that will get you up to 40 miles depending on how you use it. So if you throttle all the time, you're going to get a lot less. But if you pedal and use pedal assist, you should get pretty far on it. It's about a 56 pound bike. And it'll hold up to 280 pounds, I believe. Yeah, 280 pounds. It also has 65 Newton meters of torque. So this bike will get you pretty much anywhere you need to go. It's a lot of fun. I took it up on a couple of trails, but I prefer to do more street riding with it. Right now I'm in mode 2. I just switched to mode 3. Little bit more get up and go. Let's go to 4. There's 4. And here comes 5. Yep, now I'm going 20 miles per hour. So I'm gonna drop it back down to about 3, maybe 2. Let's drop it down to 2. I like 2 if I want to pedal a lot more than using throttle, then mode 2 is really good. 2 and 3 are probably my favorite modes. Unless I get tired, then I switch over to 5. Checking out the neighborhood. It's a nice little path. Here, let's go up to 5. Got a slight incline here, but this pedal assist is excellent for this. Excellent. I'll slow down because I'm getting up here near the lake. Might be people on the trail. I don't want to run them down. If you haven't checked out Gen 3 and their products, you need to check them out. A lot of fun. Today I'm just riding for fun. And thought I'd throw this in so that you guys know that I am really enjoying these products. It's getting me out, getting me moving around. I like it a lot. So if you're thinking about any e-transportation, check out the Gen 3 products. Oh, and get out there and ride.